Hi lovelies, it's your girl Donna here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, you're very much welcome. I'm Donna. I make DIY videos, lifestyle and beauty. Okay, so in today's video we are going to be making this double Dutch knotless braids. This hairstyle has been trending on TikTok for a few weeks now, and I decided to give it a try. It's not totally new. If you look closely, you're going to see that this is something we did as kids when we were younger. Just it can be in two, one like this, and then we just braid the two ends. You know, it's not a very new style. It's just remodeled. Anyway, if you want to see how I make this hairstyle, it's beautiful and I like it. If you want to see how I made it, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my video. Thank you so much.
The sins that you can't confess. I'm just your ghost if we're not undressed. A part of me wish that we never met, but you act like we never. Got too wasted in the bathroom of your parents' house. Then you kissed me in the backseat of a taxi ride, and we said things that were cheesy, but we meant them. There were feelings, and now you deny it. You're in love with the idea of me, but you're not in my reality. Find it hard to even picture it.
Okay, so I already parted the sides. Let me show you how I did that. After I parted the back, which was some of the time, I parted this back here, and the remaining I sectioned into two. After that, this section I divided into two again, parted it straight to the back. On this side, I parted into two, and I parted it, and I would have put it away. This side, I sectioned it into three. One here, here, and here. I'm going to be showing you again on this other side. So I already divided this section of hair into two. What I'll do is I'm going to divide this into.
I found a picture we took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I saved that I never sent, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. Found yourself a way out of this small town. Got a place at school you didn't hang around. Every day you're far away, these streets don't feel the same. Everywhere is painted with your name. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we
If I didn't chase you, would you even care?
And if I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time. Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure.